When it comes to your finances, it's important to find value in the right financial advisor. Today's Your Dime sponsor, Rooted Wealth Advisors, and we have Duke Smith, Chief Retirement Strategist and Investment Advisor Representative, joining us today. Hey, Duke.
Hey, Heather. It's good to be back.
Well, welcome back. Let's talk fee versus value, because obviously when you're dealing with investments, there will be some sort of fee involved.
Yep, definitely. Whether you're just have a trading account on your own, you're hiring an advisor, or you've put this money in there a while ago, there's going to be some sort of fee, whether that's an expense ratio, commission to the broker you're working with or brokerage firm that you're working with. There's all sorts of different fees when it comes to your investments.
So the fees aren't exactly coming from you per se.
Not necessarily. It could be if you're working with an advisor that charges an assets under management fee. That could be a percentage of the total portfolio that they're managing. It could be a commission that they're charging you for making trades. It could be an expense ratio from the mutual fund company you're using, or maybe you're in something like a annuity structure that maybe has some rider fees that come from the annuity company, or even cost of insurance inside of a life insurance product.
Okay, let's talk about some of the other things that they could be advising you on in return for those fees.
Yeah, so when we think about that fee that an investment advisor makes, whether it's a commission or a assets under management fee, really all they're getting paid to do is advise you on that investment. But there's a lot of other value that they could be bringing you when it comes to things like building an income plan for you, developing some tax planning strategies, maybe some estate planning. Maybe they've got a CPA or attorney on retainer. There's a lot more value that they could bring you over and above just giving you the investment advice.
And that's something you all and your team there at Rooted Wealth Advisors really take a lot of pride in, is providing that value to your clients.
Absolutely. That's one thing that our entire team is very passionate about, is bringing as much value as possible when it comes to the fee that we charge.
So you kind of have to put that into perspective, the fee versus the value, like we mentioned earlier.
Yes, absolutely. One thing that we've seen, the entire industry, is they've started to focus so much on fees, and it's, we've got the lowest cost of trading. We've gone to zero cost trades. Our fee's lower than somebody else's. And at the end of the day, they've got you to focus so much on fees versus value, because then they don't really have to provide any value other than letting you use their platform.
You've got a great book here for people to kind of navigate everything happening with their finances.
Yeah, as an extra value add today, for any of those out there watching, you can go to rootedretirement.com and scroll down and click to get a complimentary copy of the Retirement Roadmap. It's written by our founder, Zach Gray. Normally you got to buy that on Amazon, but if you go to our website today, you can get that without any charge.
All right, and if you have any questions, maybe you want to get your hands on this complimentary book provided by Rooted Wealth Advisors, we'll connect you to everything happening there at CILiving.tv.